What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. It's honestly so nice to have you guys here with me every single Friday. I post a video at 9 o'clock in the morning, north, south, east, Eastern time. So it's cool to have all of you guys watching my videos regularly. Anyways, talking too much. Today we are gonna add some extra little carbon on the interior today, so kind of looking forward to it. What I bought here is not super expensive, it's extremely affordable. It goes tied pretty well with my previous video that I just made about BMW mods that you should do, and this falls into the category of small tasteful mods that are inexpensive and you could do throughout the period of your build at whichever point. Boys and girls, if you want to enter yourself into a giveaway, first link down in the description below. Click that link at the end of the video after you're watching this. Do everything I say in that video. It's gonna likely be in the description of that video, so go ahead, do that. Enter yourself into a chance to win a couple nice things for your BMW build. So what we're doing today is we're doing the carbon fiber handbrake. Can you see that? This got from Amazon, so extremely affordable. It was like $50 Canadian, so it's like $8 American. And we also got this this very fugazi carbon fiber, what's it called? I don't know what the word is. I also finally got the LED reverse lights that I ordered like I don't even know how long ago. All this was super cheap, and all this was from Amazon, so you don't need to go spend hundreds of dollars for little things of carbon fiber here and there. I don't see the point in it, going and spend an extra, I don't even if it's $10 more on a company that is reputable, when you could just wait a bit more and get it from Amazon. And anyways, just look at the reviews. But anyways, let's get the car down the driveway and let's get you guys in the interior. Let's grab all my little friends here. Cool. Let's get inside the car and show you guys exactly what we're going to be doing. So this is the gear shifter thingy I was talking about that I don't know what the word is, but we're going to be adding some carbon over here today. This little sticker I'm going to have to take out. We're going to clean this all down. What we're also going to be doing is this. I've never done this before, but supposedly from what I saw, you just, oh, wow, that was easy. All right, so cool, I guess. I don't know, this literally just came up. Now this, oh wow, that's it? Holy crap, you just pull it. Okay, cool. One thing I want to mention is that if you ever see me using zip ties on my channel, putting it on this car, let me show you something, okay? Focus here. BMW also uses zip ties, baby. It's OEM spec, basically. I don't know how else to say that. I've been outside for like 5 minutes and I'm already getting liquidy. Now we're gonna do one of these. Cut the old one off. We're gonna just, if this quote, thank you, put that there and slide this one in the exact same way. Now this obviously is not the same size, but what's cool is that they provided us with zip ties so that we could just put this back on. And this is Amazon, people. Oh damn it. Okay, no, I got it. Okay, alright, okay, alright. So this, I don't know about you guys, but it looks really cool. Like this looks like it's worth $100 some odd, and I paid this like $40 something Canadian. So this is really nice. Link's gonna be down below for this. Super pumped about this one. Let's go slap this in the car. I guess like this. I think so. Wow, I like it a lot actually. Now this, I guess just push. Yeah, I think that's it. Boom. I don't know about you guys, but I think this it came out so nice. I'm really happy I did it. I've been wanting to do it and I've been scared to do it. I don't know why for the longest time. Anyways, I'm not gonna bore you guys more with that. Let's move on to this. So obviously I have to remove this sticker thing because it bulges out. But like this is how it looks right now. So carbon fiber here, carbon fiber all around here. I wrapped it all around the door sills. I should have probably showed you guys that, but I didn't make a video on it. I don't know, I just did it. Carbon fiber here. This is my super cheap. Oh god. I haven't wrapped this for the longest time. I don't know if I wanted to or not, but anyways, we're talking about this today. So this is what I got, Amazon. Let's see. Alright, so more or less it goes around the edges, and what I do like is that it follows the same pattern as this and as all my carbon all around the car. So everything is like, everything flows nicely. The only thing is that this kind of, I don't know how well you guys can tell this, but it kind of sticks up a little bit because it's, well, it's obviously much thicker. You know what I mean? Can you focus? This is this is M33. This is not 3M. This is M33 or 33M or something stupid Chinese. I don't know what. All right, full send mode. We're just gonna do it because I paid for this, and well, there's no refunds. Yeah, I think I got it. Yeah, it looks very nice. Alright, so obviously this is the part where I'm not sure how I feel just about yet. But it's different, I guess. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. This is the only part up here that I'm just, you know, it kind of sticks out a little. Now that I see this like this, too glossy, and then like, why should I put matte carbon or dry carbon here? Let me know down in the description box below. It would come out like this kind of finish over here. I don't know how well that would work, but like, I don't know. Let me know down in the description box below what you guys want to do, and I'll do it in another video. I'll add it in. Alright, now a couple videos ago I attempted to install LED reverse lights on my car. Didn't work 100%, so I hopped on either Amazon or AliExpress. I decided to wait a little bit, and finally these things came in the mail. The stock ones, well, they're halogen bulbs. I don't know, you obviously cannot see, but they're yellow, and I showed that in the other video. But all you gotta do is go ahead and get yourself a ceramic coating kit from Avalon King. This is Armor Shield 9. This stuff is great. I also did this to my car, so just go watch that video. But all you gotta do is remove this, if it cooperates. Put that aside. Now in here, you gotta remove basically the whole headlight. Then in here, super tiny, there's like the little screws that holds on. See that white thing here? There's like a bulb in there. Anyways, you gotta remove that and just replace that whole thing with what we got from AliExpress. So let's do that. Let's put you guys down and let's get to disassembling. Now this just pushes out. What I gotta do basically is just peel this back just a little bit, just enough to get to this, because I gotta do these two bolts. They're T20s. Remove that and swap these over. Okay, now with the help of my brother, we're gonna see exactly how bright this, or if it even works. Okay, turn it on. Today. Is it on? Turn the car on.
I'm pressing the brake and I put it in. I don't know how it
push to
shove it in.
Push start.
That's a good idea.
You're an idiot. Alright. So I saw this flickering. I'm screaming because I don't know if you could hear me. Alright. Keep your foot on the brake and put it in reverse. Let me see. Woo! That is bright. And look how stupid this looks. Look how bright this is. Holy crap. Okay, I'm definitely gonna see. I don't know how well the camera can pick that up, but Jesus Murphy. yellow, white. I think that's a good mod. I'm gonna wrap this in like some sort of a foam or whatever, because this has to stay in here. So I'm gonna wrap this up, zip tie this all up together, put this all back together, and I'll show you guys after. Alright, so this is the part of the video that I'm literally asking you guys because I don't know any better. Is it bad if I keep this like this? Or what, is this supposed to dissipate heat and now I'm making it contain heat? Can one of you let me know? Because I honestly don't know. For now, I'm gonna just put this all back in the car and replicate it on the other side. But like I really don't know if this is okay. Can someone tell me? Thanks. In the comment section down below, please. Oh, also, where is it? Oh yeah, these. If you haven't already, I am very limited on these. I'm selling LED sequential turning signal lights that they look like this. They look like this, and when I hold on, yeah, there you go. So it's sequential. In the day, obviously, it looks, you can't really tell anything, but at night, this shines bright like a diamond. Rihanna. If you want anything like that, DM me on Instagram at dgens19 or just comment it down below. Well, we could even talk by email or anything at all. So anyways, this is gonna be going back in the light and put it all back together and show you guys both sides. One thing I want to just look at before we close this up. Remember this? My little fix here. This is a C-clamp holding on the negative terminal of my battery because that kept coming loose. Well, my temporary fix, well, it's still there and it's working great. I don't plan on changing that anyways. It's doing the job. I don't care. And we have one more thing to do. Tonight is the graduation party, well, surprise party for my little assistant. She graduated university in the accounting field, so I'm super proud of you, Maria. I love you. You're doing a great job, and I think you're gonna do great things in life. So let's put this all back together and let's cut to that. Woo! Wow, that's so nice. Wow, that's bright. Holy crap, I'm so happy. Wow, that's insane. All right, cool. Nice. Okay, are we ready? We're eating cookies. We're ready? Yeah. Bye, Ellen. Are we ready, puppy? She's home! Technology has advanced, people. Come on. Surprise! Happy graduation day! Happy graduation.
Thank you. What are you really doing?
Yeah, this is the end of the video.
Aww.
Julian's trying to record a video.
FS only in the flesh.
Thank you, guys.
So my assistant, I wish you the best of luck
Thanks.
for your accounting stuff. You're gonna do good. You're gonna be somebody one day. I don't know what else to say.
Are we not ending the video?
Oh yeah. So from me and my assistant, thanks for watching today's video. I want to remember you guys to drive what drives you. I'll be catching you guys all in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drown in my sorrow.
Oh, it's nice.
You like it?
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
This one I like more. This one I find it's a bit fugazi.
You didn't have this on me.
Yes, I did. This one? This has been here for like 2 years.
Maybe it's different because I really like this.
Yeah, no kidding. This
This-
was nice.
I have to get used to it, I think.
Yeah, even me.
It's fat, but it's still nice.
Okay, cool. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Can you
Anyways.
turn the car on?
Oh yeah, it's hot. Sorry. No AC. Video coming soon for that.
And I open the gate.
You know, you're gonna ruin the moment. You're not gonna get the moment. I'm true. I'm right.
Oh no, why did you do that? Why did you do that? Why?
Well, you actually moved around.
I mean, I'm recording, so you could be happy about what you got. You
Wait,
stupid.
I want the apple, I want the apple, I want the ice. And then we said, all right, I guess she wants the apple.
Because we couldn't find it online. Oh, how cute it comes in a little. You have to build it yourself.
DIY.
This is perfect for the channel
Why?
because you have to make it yourself.
Okay, let's teach them. Open the box.
All right, then what, assistant? Assistant, you're taking up time.
I'm opening the step one. So open the box.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, how exciting!
So what?
Let's teach them how to do it. She doesn't even know how to do it.
We can just change the color.
Are you excited?
Hey!
But
You
is that
excited?
what you want?
I'll melt like this. It doesn't matter.
Hey,
we
doesn't
ruined the
match you
gift.
for real? Let me
We
see.
ruined the gift.
Yeah, so like this is pink and this is like goldish.
Yeah, but this
that's-
is rose gold.
No, it's gold.
It's gold, but this was saying gold. Like, I don't know.
You will think so anyway.
Happy graduation.
You're welcome.
Congratulations to all your hard work.
FS only, get in there.